I repeat, Dagger 1 is hit! Maverick is down!
Dagger 1 status. Status! Anyone see him? Does anyone see him?
Dagger 1, come in! I didn't see a parachute! We have to circle back.
Command team, bandits inbound. Single group hot. Recommend Dagger flow south. 1 minute to intercept.
Get him back to the carrier, now.
All Daggers flow to ECP. You have bandits headed for you.
What about Maverick?
Tell him there's nothing he can do for Maverick, not in the goddamn F-18.
Dagger spare, request permission to launch and fly air cover.
Negative, Spare.
Launch search and rescue.
Negative. Not with bandits in here.
Well, sir, Maverick is still out
We
there.
are not losing anyone else today. Get him home now.
Dagger, you are not to engage. Repeat.
Do not engage. Dagger 2, return to carrier. Acknowledge. Acknowledge.
Rooster, those bandits are closing. We can't go back.
Rooster, he's gone. Maverick's gone.
Dagger 2 is hit. Dagger 2 is hit.
Dagger 2, come in. Dagger 2, do you copy?
Dagger 2, come in.
You all right? Yeah, I'm good. You all right? What the hell?
What are you doing here?
What am I doing
You
here?
think I took that missile? So you could be down here with me? You should be back on the carrier by now.
I saved your life.
I saved your life. That's the whole point. What the hell were you even thinking?
You told me not to think.
Well, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you too. So what's the plan? You're not serious. You've got to be shitting me. An F-14?
I shot down 3 MiGs on one of those.
We don't even know if that bag of ass can fly.
Let's find out.
Okay. There's guys up there, Matt.
Yep.
There's more over there.
Okay. Let's start running.
Yeah, run.
Once I give you the signal for air, you're gonna flip this switch until the needle gets to 120. When the engine starts, you gotta pull out the pins and disconnect everything. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes! Once I'm up, stow the ladder. It's been a minute, huh, Matt?
Oh my God. This thing is so old.
Canopy!
Clear! Both runways are cratered. How are we gonna get this museum piece in the air? Why are the wings coming out, Matt? Matt, this is a taxiway, not a runway. This is a very short taxiway, Matt.
You just hang on.
Holy shit!
Come on. Needle's alive, come on. That's it, come on.
Matt!
Here we go.
Holy shit!
Sir, we're receiving a signal from Rooster ZSAT. But there seems to be a malfunction.
Have you lost him?
No, sir. He's supersonic.
He's airborne.
In what?
Sir, Overwatch reports an F-14 Tomcat is airborne and on course for our position.
Can't be. It can't be.
Maverick.